Hey Stockhouse, today's June 10th, time for another edition of Markets in Motion. It's going to be a big week this week for sure. We got the SpaceX IPO coming out on Friday, the 12th. It's going to be the biggest one in history. We haven't seen anything like this before. It's going to be really fascinating to see what it does from a trading perspective. It's sucking up a lot of capital for sure. And so we're going to want to keep our eye on this for sure. If you take a look at where it ranks compared to others in history, Saudi Aramco was up there. I mean, DoorDash, Uber Eats, some of the other ones that came out were big. This one is even bigger. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you got an allocation, you'll probably be even more interested in watching what happens with the trading. This week, we also saw fairly significant spikes in volatility. So last Friday, we saw the first move, which was really around the semiconductors and the earnings report. We saw things settle down on Monday, and then Tuesday, we saw things ramp up again. So we saw the one-day volatility rate of change for the VIX really spike, and you can see what happened on June 5th. It spiked up here. You don't see too many other days that get above this line here. And what we did was we took a look with our help from our friends at Sentiment Trader. What happens after these one-day spikes that happen like this? There's been 31 other instances of this in their database, and they looked out over anywhere from 1 week to 12 months, and you can see here the percentage of times it was positive. So 1 week, 2 weeks, it's obviously greater than 50%, but not way up there. But when you look out over 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, then it starts to climb up into the 80s, and 12 months later into the high 90%. So it certainly gets up there for sure. And really, a lot of this volatility spike was around, I suspect, a couple of different things. One is positioning for the SpaceX IPO, but the other is semiconductors. And I showed this a couple of weeks ago in Markets in Motion, and that was that we really saw the semiconductors as viewed as one of the most overcrowded trades via all the fund managers reviewed and surveyed by Bank of America Fund Manager Survey back in May. And certainly that's what has been happening here. We've seen that sell off, and that's caused a lot of this volatility in the markets. That's it for this week, everyone. Have a great week.